In this video, I'll show you how to download auto-generated subtitles from YouTube in Subtitle Edit 5. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this was introduced in Subtitle Edit 5.2.0, the beta versions, and let's try it out. I've done a fresh download of Subtitle Edit version 5.2.0, beta 5. And I'd like us to test it out and see if it actually works for what we need it to do, more or less. Obviously, to download auto-generated subtitles from YouTube. Now, let's see. Obviously, it's the first time I've just downloaded and extracted right there. So I expect we might get a prompt. Let's see, open video from URL. Let's download YT-DLP. So that is what is supposed to help us with this whole process. So it's downloaded right there. Let's just maximize. Now we'd like to kind of use this particular video, and I'm just going to copy the link. Copy. And right here is where we paste the link right there. And as you can see, we now have a couple of new entries: checkbox to download a video, checkbox to download subtitles, and checkbox to include auto-generated subtitles, original language. And this particular video has English auto-generated right there. So let us see if it's going to work. Click on download subtitles, include auto-generated subtitles, original language. I don't want to download the video. I'll just click on download and open. You can see down here downloading subtitles, and then it disappears, and then hopefully we get some subtitles populating right here. But I've noticed it's a hit or miss. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Why that happens is probably something in the code that is making this happen. So right now it has actually more or less giving us the population of the subtitles right there. As you can see, we have the subtitles. That was a pretty lengthy video, 9 minutes 55. Yeah, it's 9 minutes 53 more or less, and we have all the subtitles downloaded. Now, maybe one thing I'd kind of recommend is if it can come in with the video title, that would be awesome. To like get the, instead of the sub, we get the video title. For example, like this particular video right here, we get the video title. That would be important right there. Anything else? I think it's kind of sketchy what is going on. Like we just see the pop-up of downloading subtitles, and then it disappears. Sometimes the subtitles do appear, sometimes they don't. So it's quite frustrating not to know what is really happening right there. So I find that a little bit sketchy, but the intention for this video is to show you that you can now download YouTube subtitles that are auto-generated using Subtitle Edit, which is really awesome and highly welcome. So that's it for this video. Go try it out. If you see a bug, report it. For example, I found out a bug in the previous video that I did, and more or less the subtitles were not coming up, and there was an error and all that. So it's a hit or miss, as I mentioned, but it does work when it does. So thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.